Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. We are back out on the deck. We are going to hydro dip. Woo! We have 3 cups to do here. First is going to be another attempt at a Superman cup. I have a request for a 30-ounce Superman cup, and I just happen to have this 30-ounce skinny already spray painted with blue. It's not the right blue, but I think it'll work as a background color because hopefully the hydro dip colors will cover everything up, so it won't matter. The colors we're going to use, these are Easy Marble hydro dipping marble paints. I'm going to use the traditional Superman colors of red, blue, and yellow. I'm going to shake these up real well. I'm going to drop them in. I'm quickly going to take a skewer and do some marbling and then try and tack all the paint to the side of the bucket. And then I'm going to do a dip and a twist. And I'm going to try and do all this quickly. So that's why I'm telling you in advance what you're going to see. First is me shaking. To shake these up really, really well. Blue. Come on out, come. I tend to get it also all over my deck, but that's okay. That's actually fine. Okay, there's blue. Now red. Now yellow. Back to some more blue. Okay. Marble. Now this is already crapping up. And tack it to the side. This may not work, folks. All right, here we go. Yeah, well, that's not awful. It's not great. I have the glove on the wrong hand. That's probably the worst part of the whole thing. I think I'll try it again another time with a white-based cup. So anyway, okay, here's how we clean the water. Mostly we want to pick it up on some cardboard or paper, like that. And any extra bits you see, you can scoop out with a strainer. Okay. All right, so here's what's happening next. Next up, I have my second shaving cream tumbler. This was a video I did on applying color to a tumbler using shaving cream and alcohol inks. It's kind of it's kind of pretty. It's also kind of meh. There's nothing particularly wowzers about it, except there is color there. This was the first one. My first shaving cream attempt got nothing. I mean, nothing really. So that's the other one we're going to dip today. This was the second attempt, plus this has a layer of resin with sparkles on it too, so it looks a little prettier. But I'm going to try and put some hydro dip paint on here and see if that doesn't jazz things up, and then we'll put a decal on and I'll show you how that turns out. So let's do the hydro dip part first, obviously, since we're here. These are the colors I've chosen. I'm going to do these, again, all Easy Marble paints. We are going to do a glitter. This glitter shifts violet, blue, green. I'm going to use silver, a metallic. I'm going to use aqua blue, and actually they say aqua green, and light blue. So all of those are going to go on this tumbler, and we'll see what we get. Shake all of them vigorously first. There's the glitter, which should just put glitter all over everything, sparkles. You know I love my sparkles. Silver. Here's the light blue. And the light green. Okay. Get my skewer. Do some marbling. Tack it all to the edge of the bucket. Spread it out basically. And dip and twist. And then clear the water out and bring it up. Ooh, that is beautiful. Beautiful. Love it. All right. Dry this off with a blow dryer and put it aside, and we'll move on to the next one. And the last one I'm going to do is the first shaving cream tumbler, which really is just a blah. For this one, I am choosing to do, this is amethyst. It's a supremely dark purple. I'm sure it looks black here, but they say it's purple. Then we have a light purple, this is lilac, and then we have a gold, a metallic gold. Now I don't want much of the dark purple, I don't think. So maybe not too much of that. Of course it's already colored light purple because that's the base color. So light purple here won't do very much, probably. That leaves us with gold. Should be pretty. Yeah, maybe I'll put some glitter on here too, just 'cause. Okay. With the skewer. Whoop. Marble. Tack it to the side. Don't want the blobbies. Okay, here we go. Dip and twist. Break the water, bring it up. Well, that's certainly more interesting than it was. I kind of like that. I like the gold. Even the purple. That's really interesting. All right. Plus it's sparkly, although I don't think you can see that as well in the camera. And we're back. All right, so the first tumbler I tried to hydro dip is gone from this video. I'm going to deal with that separately because it didn't work out very well. But we have these two, the two shaving cream alcohol ink tumblers. I think they look stunning now that they've been, you know, revamped a little with some hydro dipping. And now it's time to make them even snazzier. So here we go.